Before you take your next bite of chicken, there's something you need to know. Because what I'm about to share might completely change the way you look at it. Every year, over 9 billion chickens are sold worldwide. Here's the shocking part. 99.9% of them come from factory farms. Why? Because it's cheap. Just a few days ago, I was at the supermarket and saw a whole rotisserie chicken selling for only $5. That made me pause. The store makes a profit. The distributor makes a profit. So how little does it actually cost to raise that chicken? That's when I dug deeper. In 1925, it took about 125 days for a chicken to fully grow. Today, just 47 days, barely a month and a half. How is that even possible? The answer, CAFOs, confined animal feeding operations. Massive industrial systems designed to maximize meat production, not animal health. When scientists tested chickens from these farms, they found banned antibiotics inside their bodies. Even worse, they detected arsenic, a toxic chemical sometimes used to make meat look fresher and pinker. The highest levels were found in feathers. And those feathers, claws, and beaks, they often get ground up and mixed back into chicken feed, meaning the toxins cycle right back into the chickens, and eventually into your food. But it doesn't stop there. Tests also revealed traces of Benadryl, acetaminophen, Prozac, and even caffeine in chicken meat. Why? Because chickens in these stressful, overcrowded environments are drugged to calm them down, keep them eating, and make them grow faster. Now, think about those food labels you see. Natural? Vegetarian-fed? Minimally processed? Sounds healthy, right? But in reality, most vegetarian feed is just GMO corn and soy, not the natural omnivore diet chickens are meant to have. Here's another fact. 66% of the world's antibiotics aren't used on humans. They're used on farm animals. Chickens are pumped with drugs, growth hormones, and steroids just to speed up production. And history shows how dangerous this can be. From the 1940s to the 1970s, a synthetic estrogen called DES was prescribed to women and also widely used in livestock. It was banned after causing miscarriages, cancers, and generational reproductive issues. If you were born before 1979, you may still be feeling its effects today. And here's something truly disturbing. There's something called poultry litter, a mix of chicken waste, feathers, and leftover feed. Guess where it sometimes ends up? As feed for cows. Yes, cows eating chicken waste. I know that's hard to hear, but the truth matters. So now you face a choice. 1. Keep eating cheap factory farm chicken and risk your health. 2. Or spend a little more on organic, pasture-raised chicken, where birds live naturally, under the sun, on open ground. Sure, it costs more. But what's more valuable than your long-term health? If you can, you might even consider raising your own chickens at home. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the way chickens are raised today? Have you ever questioned where your chicken really comes from? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay aware. Stay healthy. See you in the next video.